all my feeling for this, for everyone out there who listen to these. Mama don't tell me I'm meant for the greatness, but sometimes I really start doubting my gift. Like, what am I doing? Is it really worth it? Why am I chasing to get so contorted? Zone out of vision, I'm lacking in focus. Can't say I'm perfect, but at least I'm focused. Every day of my life, I've been down the lead, but I'm living the die just like everyone else. Facing the struggle like everyone else, but I'm keeping the pressure below my belt. Don't answer off here, you don't know how I feel. Guarantee I won't talk about the pen that I deal. You ain't keeping it real, so keep it to yourself. Fuck what you know, you don't know me so well, so don't act like you do. I'm one of them young ones who came from the hood. Nothing was promised or given, and really got nothing to show, but got something to prove. Took my talent all the way from the street to the booth. I had to show them the proof. Can't risk chances of trusting in you. Talking loyalty, now I can see it in you. There is my blood, there is my sweat and tears. Don't wanna go through the struggle of years. I never met nothing in years. I'm trying to explore. I can't no more live in my fears. I pray to the Lord. I hope that they answer my prayers. Too many enemies trying to drain their energy, but nothing can stop a G from being what he gotta be. Too many counterfeits, I don't really know who to trust to be. Too many snakes in the grass. Gotta watch how you step by your mash. Yeah, for real, I'ma stay in my bag. Get out of your pocket, get whacked. I been moving cold red, I can't lag. I'ma keep it 100, can't lie. All the anger and pain inside. I be speaking it all to the mic. I'ma slide on my ups like a mic. Without my brothers on sight. I don't choose my own way of life, but I can't live how I like. I ain't got no sleep in my eyes. Till I'm making mama proud. That's my only delight. Till I'm making mama proud. Believe me, that's my only delight. So save me the drama and give me my peace. Became a red runner for chasing the cheese. Nothing was given cause nothing was promised, so I'm grinding hard for the shit that I need. Was really that young when I started keeping late nights with them G's in the street. Mama warned me to stay off the street, but the more I got addicted to it. Just so afraid of me losing my life. She been having nightmares and can't sleep right. Daddy called me and give me a piece of advice. I see the struggle when I look in his eyes. I see the shame that's hurting his pride. I see the life that they wanted for us, but things went south, so we improvise. Reason I'm hard, yeah, going my hardest, killing this shit till I'm ending my strikes. Never afraid of the consequences. I'm taking the risks just to see what it's like. Heart so cold, I got 'em on ice. I don't do drugs, but you know I might to get rid of this pain that I'm feeling inside. Too many enemies trying to drain